how are you? I hope all are good. So today let me start class 7 GK unit 3 young scientists chapter 18 science quiz. Okay, so which of these science facts are true? In case you feel a fact is incorrect, write the correct answer. Question number 1. In 1979, smallpox was declared eradicated by WHO. Yes, it's true. CO2 in solid form is known as dry coal. False. High tide occurs in the full moon phase. जब high tide होता है, yes, true. Question number 4. Ishihara is used to test night blindness. Number 4. Ishihara, yes. No, false. It is false. Number 5. Litmus paper turn blue when touched with an acid. False. Number 6. Paddy fields are sources of methane, greenhouse gas. Paddy fields, जो paddy fields होते हैं, yes, true. Number 7. The first atom bomb was dropped on the city of Nagasaki. False. Number 8. Lines on map connecting places with the same temperature are called isobars. Number 8. False. Mercury exists in liquid form at ordinary temperature. True. Food energy is measured in kilograms. False. Hooved animals are known as ungulates. Number 11. True. The operating system Linux has Puffin as its logo. False. In the Arctic region, the temperature is measured using an alcohol thermometer. Number 13. True. The first kind of laser to be invented was helium neon. True. The chemical symbol for iron is Ir. False. Okay, everyone. So, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 19. Compute quiz. A computer can do many things at a time. So how much do you know about this wonderful machine? Solve the cross patch. So let's start across. Number 4. Often referred to as the heart of a computer, also known as CPU. So it is microprocessor. Seven. An area on a screen that displays the content of a file. So it is window. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. A programming language designed to introduce beginners to programming techniques. It is basic. 10. To load the operating system, which booting. An error or defect in software or hardware that causes a program to malfunction. So it is bug. Now down. A name for junk email, spam. A part of the internet which connect to millions of pages of information. It is website. Number 3, the act of writing data on a disk. It is a burn. Number 5, a set of instructions for a computer to perform a specific task. Program. Number 6, made of silicon, it contains complex circuits, means small piece. It is chip. Process of representing numeric, alphabetic and spatial character in a computer's internet storage. It is coding. Okay. So students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 20. Human diet. Carbohydrates constitutes 3 elements: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Daily requirement 500 grams. 1 gram gives 70 kg of energy. The carbohydrates of the food eaten after being processed in the alimentary canal and liver are supplied to the tummy mainly as glucose, often called blood sugar. Sources 3. Main cereals: wheat, rice and maize, sugarcane, milk, fruit, honey, beet, etc. They are of 3 types: cellulose, starch and sugar. Excess carbohydrate is stored in the liver in the form of glycon. So name the deficiency disease of the given vitamins. Okay. Let me start. Vitamin A, chemical name है retinol, प्रॉपर्टीज है जनरल हेल्थ गिवन, और डिसीजेज यानी कौन सी बीमारी हो सकती है इससे? नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस. B1, thiamine for growth, carbohydrate, metabolism, functioning of heart. So beriberi. B12, riboflavin for keeping skin and mouth healthy. तो इसकी कमी से कौन सा रोग हो सकता है? चिलॉप्सिस. B5 niacin for healthy skin, sound mental health. So इसकी कमी से कौन सा रोग हो सकता है हमें? पहला घेरा B6 pyridoxine processing of proteins and for nervous system. So इससे pernicious anemia, C ascorbic for keeping teeth gums healthy, vitamin C. Scurvy, D calciferol for normal bones and teeth. Rickets, E tocopherol for normal reproduction, removes scars and wrinkles. Sterility, sterility. Okay, fat. Now we will talk about fat. Provides twice the energy of carbohydrates. 1 gram provide 37 kg of energy. Act as the reserve food material because excess fat is stored in the liver and as adipose tissue. An enzyme called lipase digests fat. It breaks down into fatty acids and glycerol. Daily requirements 50 grams. Next is vitamins. Necessary for normal growth, good health, good vision, proper digestion of the body, etc. Protein made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Important for growth and repair of the body. Made up of amino acids. Kwashiorkor and marasms are the diseases which occur due to deficiency of protein. Minerals. Some of the important minerals which form a part of our food are, so these are the iron needed to prepare hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in blood and gives blood its color. It is present in green vegetables. Iodine for preparations of the hormone thyroxine. It is present in seafood and iodized salt. Fluorine component of enamel of teeth and in bones, present in milk and drinking water. Calcium in making bones and teeth, needed more in children. Phosphorus for formation of bones and teeth, present in milk. Sodium and potassium. Sodium is needed to maintain contraction of heart. Potassium is required in carbohydrates and protein metabolism. Some common diseases. By virus, chickenpox, measles, polio, rabies, mumps, AIDS. By bacteria, cholera, tuberculosis, leprosy, typhoid, plague, sore throat, pneumonia. By fungi, ringworm, athlete foot. By protozoans, malaria, kala-azar, sleeping and sickness. So everyone, the chapter is 20 completed here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 21. Indian scientists. Here are some eminent scientists who have done remarkable work in their respective fields and made India proud. So choose from the box and write their names. Number 1, he was awarded the Doctorate of Science by the Cambridge University in 1929 for his research in the field of plant evolution. So he is Birbal Sani. Number 2, a world-renowned physicist. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930 for the discovery of the Raman effect, which is named after him, C.V. Raman. Sir Venkat Raman, C.V. Raman. Number 3, he pioneered the investigation of radio and microwave optics and made extremely important contributions to plant science. He is regarded as India's first modern scientist. तो कौन है ये? Number 3 is Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose. Jagdish Chandra Bose. Number 4, a young mathematical genius, he made a substantial contribution in several areas of mathematics. He did it at a very young age. So he is Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was a renowned physicist and the founder of India's space program. The International Astronomical Union has named a crater on the moon after him. Vikram Sarabhai. Six, an eminent nuclear physicist, he was associated with the country's first nuclear test in 1974. He is regarded as one of the creators of science and technology in India. Raja Ramanna. Okay, so students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 22. Inventory of inventions. So this chapter only for reading. Experiments have been carried out for providing the ideas from observations. 4 ages, science help us in forming ideas about the world. Science has made our life very comfortable, and yet there are numerous areas to be explored in the 21st century. Let us take a quick look at some important inventions which changed people's lives. Okay, 3000 BC, first sailing ship. 3100 BC, bronze was first used in Egypt. AD 900, paper was made first in China. AD 1125, earliest known use of compass. Compass. AD 1290, first mechanical clock. AD 1600, first telescope. AD 1712, first steam engine. AD 800, first electricity battery. AD 1826, first photograph. AD 1903, first aeroplane. AD 909, first kind of plastic. AD 1939, first jet aircraft. AD 1944, first digital computer. AD 1960, first laser beams. AD 1982, first camcorder. Okay. So everyone, So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 23. Health issues. Fill in the blanks. Okay. A, fill in the blanks. Number 1, the deficiency of dash can cause marasmus and kwashiorkor in infants. Protein. Number 2, dash also known as nyctalopia is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. The patient finds it difficult to see in the dark or in dim light. It is night blindness. Night blindness. Number 3, vitamin D helps in the deposition of calcium and phosphate into the bones. Its deficiency in children can result in dash, a state of soft and deformed bones. It is rickets. A deficiency of vitamin C can lead to dash, which can cause bleeding and swollen gums, weight loss, joint pain, infection, and delay in the healing of wounds. It is scurvy. 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 5. Dash is the swelling of the thyroid gland caused by the deficiency of iodine. It is goiter. Number 6. Beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B. A water-soluble vitamin essential for the functioning of muscles, nerves, and the heart. Okay, what are we talking about? Write the correct letters from file box in the blocks. Chaliye. A kind of skin allergy in which the skin becomes itchy, red and dry. Eczema. B. इसमें ऑप्शन आएगा. Write the correct letters. Okay, B. Eczema. Nebulizer is a machine that turns liquid medicine into a mist that can be breathed in. It is used by people who suffer from the respiratory ailment. So it is A. Asthma. A. A condition in which someone can see things that are up close but has difficulty in seeing objects far away. Okay, so it is which deficiency? Myopia. Eye. Eyes में होती है ये. Some children have this learning problem which can make words look jumbled. Okay, so it is J. Dyslexia. J. This is what happens when joint gets swollen, stiff and painful due to the loss of some of the flexible cushion between the bones. Arthritis. F. An allergy triggered by seasonal allergen such as flower pollens. Number 6 is E. Hay fever. 7. Inflammation of the liver. Hepatitis. H. An acute, sometimes fatal disease of the central nervous system caused by a bacterium which usually enters the body through an open wound. So number 8 is tetanus. G. Inflammation of the membrane that covers the brain and spinal cord. Meningitis. D. severe headache, usually on one side of the head and often associated with nausea. It is migraine. C. Okay, everyone. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 24. The solar system. The solar system is the name given to the sun and 8 other planets. So 4 rocky inner planets near the sun, including the earth, and 4 further away from the sun. So the 8 planets, comets, asteroids and meteoroids circle around the sun. The sun makes up for 99.86% of the solar system's mass. It means that all the planets put together and also the asteroids only make up for about 0.14% only for the solar system's total mass. Okay, so all the planets are held in their respective orbits around the sun by its gravitation forces. The bigger the planet, the greater its gravitational force. This means an astronaut on Jupiter would weigh 2.5 times more from what he would on Earth. About 20 planets have been found orbiting other stars, but the Upsilon and Andromeda solar system is the only other solar system spotted so far. So Jupiter is full of gases, mostly hydrogen and helium, spinning faster than any other planet. The clouds in its atmosphere are whipped up into vast swirling storms with winds up to 500 km per hour. So Jupiter has the shortest day of the planets. A day on Jupiter lasts just about 10 hours, 9 hours, 55 minutes. Joining helium and hydrogen, the sun is comprised of carbon, nitrogen and small amounts of other gases. So these are the planets. So here are some questions and fill in the blanks. Number 1. The moon that travel around some of the planets are called its satellite. Number 2. Closer to the sun, this planet shares its name with the liquid that is used in the thermometer. It is mercury. Number 3. This planet is the only planet named after a Greek god. It is Venus. Number 4. Our home planet is the Earth. Number 5. The red planet has the name rhyming with Mars. ये है Mars. Number 6. The one-eyed giant of our solar system is Jupiter. Number 7. If Alliance had a jewelry store, they had probably picked the one with the biggest rings like the planet. So, which is Saturn. Ring. Okay. This is the lucky 7 planets, 7 from the Sun, Uranus. The planet Dash is sometimes the farthest from the Sun, Neptune. Okay. So the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand and enjoyed all chapters. So we will meet you in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.